Hi, I'm Carolyn Sheridan, Executive Director and founder of Ag Health and Safety Alliance. Welcome to MRASH 2020. We're very happy to have the opportunity to do a short recording about our poster, and this has to do with COVID-19 and how can we address the needs of the agricultural population. So we know that it became a complex situation with shortages of PPE, including respirators. And also the guidance became quite complicated. So we needed to figure out a way to avoid confusion about what type of respirators are still important in agriculture. And then what do we do about those cloth face coverings? How should they be worn properly? And when should they be worn? So we were very happy to have the opportunity to collaborate with 4 ag centers to put together 2 resources which are described in our poster. They included things about conserving respirators, what type of respirators can be used when you're unable to find what you normally use, and the importance of wearing cloth face coverings and how to wear them and when to wear them. We also were able to collaborate with the UMass Ag Center, who had developed an online resource very quickly at the beginning of March 2020. So what are the things that we learned during that time? Well, we know that farmers need to continue to prepare for future PPE shortages or similar emergencies. So what can we do to continue to get this message across? Please be prepared with the needs you have for personal protective equipment. Also, in lengthy guidance documents really can be difficult to interpret, and that's why the partnerships and collaboration that have happened throughout this pandemic have been very important. Shorter documents, something less than 2 pages, infographics, things that are easier to translate in social media and in trainings. So these resources also need to be quickly developed. Collaboration, of course, is important. And we also know that as we continue to use them, there might be some needs to have things revised. Also, our next steps have included partnering with the Great Plains Center for Agricultural Health to develop 3 new evidence-based infographics. And these are going to be interactive infographics, so we're excited as we're beginning to develop those, and they're about PPE shortages and proper use and use of N95 respirators. Also, like many of you, we have found ways to continue to offer different types of educational opportunities for not only our students, but the communities. And so something that we never thought we would be able to do, we certainly are able to, including respirator fit test training, and then meeting and greeting our students online. And we also found that it was important to model the behaviors that are important right now, meaning wearing our cloth face coverings during our presentations. And so those types of things are some lessons that we've learned, and we're probably going to continue to learn more lessons as things continue to happen with COVID-19. So definitely thank you to our partners, and we look forward to seeing you at MRASH 2021. In the meantime, gear up for ag, and please be safe and healthy.